bayani, ang makasaysayang lalawigan ng Bulacan!
Sian Marcele from the Garments Capital of the Philippines, Taytay Rizal! SJS Melo, proudly representing the City of Good Governance, Pasig City!
Vincent Piazza from the National Capital Region of the Philippines, Quezon City!
Ruscada, coming from the city that is widely known as the birthplace of Christianity in the Philippines, Cebu City!
Joe Villanueva from the largest city in Metro Manila, Quezon City!
And Bogus from the land rich in agricultural heritage, the Queen Province of the North, Isabela!
Kel Silverio mula sa lungsod, kailanman hindi sumusuko, Balanga City, Bataan!
Joel Tensing, coming from the home of our first Filipino hero, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu, anak ni Dato Lapu-Lapu!
Bert Albayos, representing for a place with stunning natural beauty and rich history, Argao, Cebu!
John Donaire, coming from the first capital of the Philippines, Cebu City!
San Bihasa representing the City of Heritage and Foods, Malabon City!
Loyola Furnace, proudly representing from the peaceful province of Southern Leyte!